Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. Today we are discussing about a topic. The topic name is conjunction. You can see on your screen. So here is the word conjunction. First we know what is the means of conjunction and then know the definition of conjunction. And after that we have to learn about the different kinds of the conjunction. So let's start the video and know more thing about the conjunction and its meaning. Okay. So first you can see here the word conjunction. First we know what is the means of conjunction. Okay. Conjunction means, you can see here the definition. Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. Simply if we have to search the meaning of conjunction, the means of conjunction is a joining words. Okay, its work only, its meaning only the joining words. Okay, conjunction means joining words. It means it is only single words that was used to join. Okay, join words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Okay, its work is to join words, phrases, clauses and sentences. So we have to simply define it. The definition of the conjunction is: conjunction are joining words that join words, phrases, clause or sentences. It means you have to see in a previous classes, in your previous chapter, a lot of the sentences that adding by the but, are, and, because, etc. or the many words. So these words will be the conjunction words. Why? Because all these words join the words, phrase, sentences and clauses. Okay. So its definition simply: conjunction are joining words, they join words, phrases, clauses or sentences. I gave an example of the conjunction like a Riya and Rima sing song. Okay, here you can see a word and is a word that join two words. The two words is Riya and Rima. Okay, both words add by a word that was the conjunction word. You can see here and is the only word that join two words, Riya and Rima. So we can say that this is the conjunction word. I will take a separate example of the conjunction words like his son lives in Goa and has a steady income. Or different example: he lives in Gola Bazar and he lives in Gola Bazar and wanted to purchase some properties. Okay, so you can see here is the two sentences. First sentence is this and second sentence is this one. Okay, and both sentences add by the and conjunction. Okay, so this and conjunction will be the conjunction words. Okay, I gave you some example of others. I think you have to problem to see the board clearly. Okay, there is a small space here. So listen, he is a, look here, he wanted to read deeply because wanted to become a doctor. Okay, you can see here example: he wanted to read deeply because he wanted to become a doctor. So here is the word because is a word that joins two sentences. First sentence is this and second sentence is this. Okay, and both sentences add by the because. So because word will be the conjunction word. I hope you all understand what is the means of conjunction and the definition of conjunction. Okay, here is some important fact related to the conjunction. So first fact is a conjunction can be a single words. Okay, conjunction can be single words. So single word means we can write only single word for the conjunction. For example, and, a, so. Okay, and, a, so, because, therefore, etc. Or these examples that is the we can say that its conjunction can be a single word. So we can see here the conjunction it will be a single word. Okay. Second rule of the conjunction: a conjunction can be made of two or more words. Okay, it is made of two or more words. It will be also use a two words. Okay, for example, in order that, even if, in order that. Okay, so etc. are the many words. So these words will be a conjunction can be made of two or more words. Okay, conjunction is not only a single word. Okay, not only a single words, it is also be made of two or more words. Okay, for example, you can see here, even if, in order, so that, as though, as etc. are the example of the two or more words conjunction. Okay. Second rule of the conjunction: a conjunction can be used in a pairs. Okay, we can use conjunction in a pairs. It means there are two conjunction used in a sentence in a separate position. Or it will be either or, neither nor, both and, though yet, no sooner than. Okay, it means either or, neither or. Okay, so that, etc. are conjunction words used in a pairs, in a sentence or phrases or clauses. Okay, so we can use the conjunction in a different way. Okay, we can use the conjunction in a single words mode, and it is made of a two or more words. Okay, or we can use it in a pairs. Clear? So it is the different form of the conjunction that we can use in a sentence. Clear? Now next we are talking about the kind of conjunction. First you can see here the word coordinating conjunction. Okay, it is the first kind of the conjunction, coordinating conjunction. It has a lot of the sub part. Okay, many sub part of the coordinating conjunction. Second is the subordinating conjunction, and third is the correlative conjunction. Okay, all three kinds have their sub part of the conjunction. Okay, first we know what is the means of coordinating conjunction, and then after subordinating conjunction, and then after correlative conjunction. First we talking about the coordinating conjunction. First here what is the definition of coordinating conjunction? Conjunction that join two independent sentences or two statements or equal ranks or importance are called coordinating conjunction. Okay, it means when there are two independent sentences. That means the sentence has their own subject and own verb. Okay, so that is the called independent sentence. Okay, if the two independent sentences join or two statement or equal rank or important are called coordinating conjunction. We have to take example like she is a shy girl, but she is not scared of anything. It is the simple example of the coordinating conjunction. Okay, I gave you example. Here is the space. I will write here. First I will write it and then try to understand what is the use or what is the means of coordinating conjunction. Okay. First, take the example of the coordinating conjunction. He is wealthy, but he is unhappy. He is wealthy. He is wealthy, but he is unhappy. I hope you can see the example of coordinating conjunction. I also write the word coordinating conjunction in a yellow colors, so it will be highlighted for you. So let's see. First, here is the definition of coordinating conjunction. It means a conjunction that is used to join independent sentence or two statements or equal importance. Okay, you can see here this sentence. He is wealthy. It is the first sentence, and second is he is unhappy. Okay, it is the second sentence. And if we have to remove this word, it means the but word from this box and use here full stop, then both are the sentence completely independent. Both are sentence is the important way, and both are the sentence has a equal rank. So we can say that both sentence is a independent sentence. Okay, and when we use two independent sentence by using some of the words, that word is the called coordinating conjunction. For example, he is wealthy, but he is unhappy. Here is this first sentence, and this sentence, second sentence, both are joined with the word but. Okay, and this word but join both are the sentences. So we can say that here the but word will be the coordinating conjunction. Why? Because this but word add the two sentences that has a equal rank. Okay, that was importance for each. Okay, and that was first sentence and second sentence both are the independent sentence that was not depend to the other sentence. So such type of the conjunction word that adding the such type of the independent word, independent phrase or the independent sentences. So these type of the conjunction will be the coordinating conjunction. Same as Vinod is ill, so he did not go to the school today. Okay, Vinod is ill, so he did not go to school. It is the second example. So you can see here. First sentence Vinod is ill. It is completely independent. Okay, it is not dependent to the other sentence. Vinod is ill. Okay, it is the first sentence. Second sentence is he did not go to school. It is also a sentence and it has also a subject and their own verb, and it is also a independent sentence. Clear? It is a independent sentence, and both sentences add by the word so. Add by the word so. So word will be the conjunction word, and what kind of the conjunction? This conjunction word join two independent sentence. Then this is called as a coordinating conjunction. I hope you all understand very well about the both kind of the this type of the both example explained about the coordinating conjunction. Clear? So I hope this is enough for you today. I will explain it in the next video of the this chapter or this topic as a second parts. I hope you all understand about the first part. If you have to any problem, then drop the comment into the comment box, and if you like this video, then also comment okay or good. Okay, so we have to make in the next video. So as thank you for to watch this video. Okay.